Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a video here. Today we'll be installing the engine intake, and I'll be doing a before and after video of how it sounds. Right now I have the PRL stage 1 we can say intake, and we'll be doing a sound of that and then do a sound of the engine. Right now I'll be doing some flybys of what it sounds right now, and then when it's installed we'll do a video of how it sounds after. Enjoy, guys. Alright guys, sorry about the car. It's really dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it. It's been snowing way too much out here in Maryland. But this is what I have right now. Stock intake box and just PRL motorsport tubing. I'm gonna give you guys some sound effects of how it sounds with the open hood, and then I'll do one with the hood closed. Let's get started. Alright guys, this is a few days after the install. We had some really bad weather and I didn't have no time, so here you go, guys. This is the results of the intake. I'll let you guys hear. I'll do some drive-bys and rev some engine. See how I got sound. I love the sound, and I actually feel some power on it. Here you go, guys. There you go, guys. That's the engine intake. Super happy with the purchase. I do feel a little more horsepower. People said they had a problem with the heat soak, but I think this is the updated version because it completely has like a box on it at the bottom. See, it completely covers all this and the bottom. So I don't know, guys. Maybe they updated it. Maybe it doesn't have that problem no more. But yeah, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you till next time. Peace.